Enduro Comfox is a competition rock crawler kit that includes all the necessary components you need all in one box. At the center of the rig is our tested and true StealthX transmission with adjustable overdrive and all-new forward bias motor mount. The newly designed Artful Dodger's LCG carbon fiber flat rail chassis features aluminum chassis braces for lightweight and strong construction, along with a machined Delrin skid that is angled 7 degrees to allow for more rear ground clearance and improved breakover angle. This rig comes equipped with our all-new high-clearance portal axles, servo on axle steering, front and rear 4-link suspension with rear high-clearance links, and our ultra-smooth factory team aluminum shocks. So if you're serious about rock crawling and want a no-hassle, easy-to-assemble rig, then the all-new Enduro Comfox Competition Rock Crawler Kit is the perfect choice. Your journey begins here.